Hi guys, now I am in the house and I really have planted everything except these few items. I've got 2 cherry drops, I've got these 100 cherry tomatoes, I have got this cauliflower. I combined the 2 plants which were in the styrofoam container. I'm going to scoop out these other 3. This is cilantro. I was really kind of experimenting with just single plants. I usually do this in a cluster, but I'll just go outside and find a space for it because it can definitely tolerate the weather that we're having. And my last one over here is this little broccoli artwork baby. It's sort of like a broccolini thing, and I'm starting that brand new seed. Only requires a 1/2 inch. I will water everything thoroughly when I'm done. But what I've got here, I've got myself a nice little hole, just enough to cover this. And if you can see, I went ahead and I cut really the cardboard around here that really does not need to be here anymore. So I just tidied it up. There's my excess. I'm just going to put this in and cover it. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand as usual. And then I'm just going to pat it down lightly, water it. I'll do the other one. I'll water everything. I'll transplant these 3 with the spoon. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here and see how you can hear that squeak. I don't care about the styrofoam. I'm just going to lift it up and then I'll go outside and I will transplant that a lot like I did the lettuce yesterday. The rest of these 6, I am going to come over here and now I have all of my space left in my little mini greenhouse, and I've got about 2 more weeks before I can put those items outside again. So that's what I'm doing, tidying it up. After this, it will all be about seeds, and if I actually buy a plant at a greenhouse, I normally can't resist doing that, buying a new type, a new species, and keeping those seeds. So, love you. Have a great day. Hope this was helpful. Hope it inspires you to really get on out there and do what you would like to do. Oh, and look, I didn't buy these either. Those are those little, from those Magna ice cream bars, the caramel and the thick chocolate. I just used those and kept it. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.